Hello everyone, welcome to Small Car. Today we have got this 5 pack from Matchbox, which is Jurassic World themed, and it's called Transporter Trackers 2. It's got some nice casting as I can see. You can see a few jeeps in there and a helicopter. I can't remember what this is. So let's open it up and see how do they look. So these are the 5 castings in that 5 pack. I'm gonna start with the first one. So this is the helicopter, and as you can see, it's a special like from Jurassic World movies. It has got the propeller on the top, but on the sides too. For your fan, reads the name of the company. I think Biosyn. That the company there was in Jurassic World, I guess. This is how they land. The propeller does move, and I think if you look closely, you can see there are seats inside. Yep, so this is the helicopter. Now let's move to the Jeep. So here is the Jeep, and the famous Jurassic Park Jeep. I think I have a single one too. Check out a time ago, but if I'm not wrong, it's a Jeep TJ, squarish headlamp in the TJ. Details has got some good details, especially like following the movie. So you got the Jurassic Park logo on the side, number 18, the red accents, the red wheel. Even you can see this red on the windshield. Headlamps are there but not detailed. Same goes for the fog lamps. You also got a winch, a grey bumper, and it says JP18, Jurassic Park 18, I guess. You can see the hinges for the hood, windshield wiper. No mirrors though, and it has got a half door kind of design. Yeah. Let's see on the other side. It looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler door here, fuel filler cap. Coming to the back, you've got the spare wheel, you've got the tail lamp, you've got the place for the number plate, bumper. Again, they are not detailed. And this is how the interior looks. I'm not sure how close it is to the actual car, but it's done in kind of the same color as the body is. Yeah, so not bad look, especially with the details. Looks alright. Let's move to the next one. Looks like a big off-road truck. I'm not sure if it's like a actual truck or it's just for a movie. It says TMN Uni in Emblem, so I'm not sure. But it looks like a off-road vehicle. Some of them you see these days. So that's big wheels. Sure that it can go anywhere. Looks like a bulletproof case kind of thing. Have a picture of dinosaurs, some other details on the side. Number 22, 0710. If you look from the front, you can see a winch, off-road bumper, headlamp, fog lamps, spot lamps on the top. These might be marker lamps. I don't see any mirrors or anything here. I see a door, and then details kind of look the same. Oh, it was on the other side. See a step. The rear, these might be the tail lamps, but I'm not sure. Oh, it's a truck. So it's a big off-roady kind of truck. So you've got this bed here. Yeah, didn't notice that before. Yeah, so there's a bed, a very deep bed. And this looks like, how you can open from the top and bring your head up, look into something kind of thing. Yeah, something different. I see another Jeep, so let's move to that one now. So here's another Jeep. It looks like a Jeep Gladiator, the pickup truck. And let's confirm that. Doesn't say anything, but almost probably it's a Jeep Gladiator. Again, good details on this one. The color is slightly different than the other Jeep. And you've got an exoskeleton here, so exterior roll cage. You got I think this has got rock rails. You got a step there, and again you got the Jeep logo, the Jurassic Park logo. Looks like some other equipment mounted here. Also got stuff on the rooftop. Looks like a saw and some bags and suitcase. It's kind of made in an off-road, like modified to be off-road vehicle. This looks like a grill, just folded down, or just it can be folded up for like safety, I guess. Front again is modified. If you look at the headlamps and stuff, those are not standard. Those are like you can get this modified with a different grill. Looks like that. And then you've got this front bar, which helps you or stops you from rolling over if you're going to ditch or something, going to off-road. Also see small hooks here, toe hooks on the front. Typical Jeep, like, you know, the wheel arches. On the passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler door here. You also got a shovel, some more equipment. This is how it looks from the back. You can see the tail lamps here, they're not detailed. Again, a custom bumper, and again it is carrying a lot of other equipment, a big box, and I don't know what else. I can see a jerry can. So it's carrying a lot of equipment. And looks like a nice Jeep. So now we only have the last one left. Let's move on to that one. Okay, I don't know what it's called. I haven't seen the movies in a long time, but does have good details too. I think it kind of rolls. It has got 2 seats, and funny enough, not funny enough actually, I think it's designed the same way as it was in the movie. So if you roll, the chairs still remain straight and it kind of rolls. It's good detail. It's kind of ball, but I don't know what it is, but it looks good. So there you have all the 5 castings from the Jurassic Park 5 pack, and in my opinion, all of them look good. I would say it's a good 5 pack to get. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.